favorite picture car here, the Gyrosphere from Jurassic World. You probably noticed that the Gyrosphere has no glass on it, even though it does in the film. But the truth is, the Gyrosphere never actually had any glass on it. This is all added later on in post-production using CGI, computer-generated imaging, for a couple of reasons. One,